Hey everyone! I actually wanted to take you through an unboxing of a Jon Renau wig. Kristen and I were gifted 2 wigs from Shaquelle Hair. We are in a partnership with them, and we are working with the incredible Amanda, who also has alopecia and does their content for their page. But I wanted to take you through the wig that I got. It is an absolute stunner, and I'm very excited about it. Her name is Sarah, Jon Renau Sarah, and she is a hand-tied synthetic lace front. So got that beautiful lace front that gives a very realistic hairline, and she is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that lace front. It is so realistic. I did excitedly open this up when I got it because I was just so pumped to put this on. Those were a little too big for me, so I took my flat iron actually at 270 degrees. That's the lowest setting. And I kind of just went through and made the curls a little less big and flouncy and a little more of a beach wave style. And this is definitely one of my favorite wigs. Absolutely. I definitely learned some things from all these companies, and we're going to learn more from Amanda and Shaquelle, so stay tuned for that. We're very excited. The episode should probably be out by the time you see this, so go take a listen to that. And if you have any other questions for Kristen and I or Shaquelle or about Shaquelle Hair, let us know and we will help you out. All right, bye guys.